AI is becoming more powerful and more deeply woven into everything we do. Some people try to ignore it, but it's not going away. This course is for filmmakers, editors, marketers, content creators, and business owners who want a repeatable AI workflow that saves hours every week. You need to make more videos, more consistently, but you don't have more time. You're tired of starting from zero every time. Blank page, blank timeline, no system. You're overwhelmed by tools and updates, and you're thinking, what should I even learn? You want a workflow that's faster and repeatable, without losing quality or your creative voice. In the last 5 years, AI video has gone from a novelty to a real workflow. The adoption curve is insane. The Financial Times reported ChatGPT hit 1 million users in 5 days, and by late 2023, it reached approximately 100 million weekly users. And over the next 5 years, it's headed toward real production workflows, controllable style, faster iteration, and AI-native video that can be personalized and interactive at scale. Video is one of the fastest moving areas in AI, and new updates are constantly reshaping what's possible. AI video production isn't press a button and a video appears. It's a faster workflow. Think about the classic video pipeline: idea, script, filming, editing. So in this course, we'll help you create the next crew in your org chart. AI will help you think, research, write, produce, and edit faster. Most importantly, you'll learn how to combine different tools and models into a single workflow. When you're done with this course, you'll know exactly how to use AI. Specifically, you will learn what to use, when to use it, and how to turn one idea into a finished video. Now, when people say AI video, they usually mean a few different categories of tools. First, AI for planning and writing. This is where you research, identify your target audience, and generate script drafts. Second, AI for video production. There are 2 main ways to generate AI videos. The first is text to video. You write a prompt and the model creates the scene for you. The second is image to video. You start with an image and the model animates it. This usually gives you more control because you can lock in the aesthetic first, then guide the motion and action with prompting. On top of that, you can work with avatars. Either build your own digital presenter or choose from a library of ready-made ones. And then there's AI audio. Text-to-speech has come a long way. You can generate hyper-realistic voiceovers, clone your own voice, or create custom voices with specific accents and tones. Put it all together, and you can produce on-camera content without ever turning on a camera. Third, AI for post-production. Faster ways to clean up and edit your videos, using AI features inside both free tools and professional software. AI has real advantages and real limits. Pros: AI can cut timelines from weeks to days and reduce costs by 30 to 50% or more in high-volume workflows. However, the exact savings depend on your format and how repeatable the content is. It helps you go from a blank page to a strong first draft faster, keeps your content consistent through templates and repeatable workflows, and automates the most time-consuming parts of the production workflow. Cons: AI can feel distant. Sometimes it looks perfect but feels wrong, and that's a branding problem. And even with AI, the hardest part is still the same: clarity and story. So the goal isn't to use AI everywhere. The goal is to use AI where it gives you the biggest leverage without losing control. Quick overview of the tool landscape you'll hear in this course. For planning and script writing, ChatGPT and Canva. For avatars and voice cloning, HeyGen. For text-to-video generation, we'll show you how Veo works. For fast editing, CapCut, Canva, and Instagram for beginners, and DaVinci Resolve Studio for professional workflows. We'll mainly use these tools to show what's possible with AI, so you can choose what fits your workflow and budget. Our goal is to teach you all the fundamental concepts as simply and intuitively. Let's get started.